Da di da da da. Dee 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 da dee da da. Da 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 da. Da 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 dee 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 da 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 dee 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 da da da. This AI dancing video has over 11 million views and 436,000 likes. With this one video, you would be able to monetize a YouTube short channel. And today I'm going to show you step by step how to create these videos and make money from it. So why didn't I show you how to create other AI videos but these AI dancing baby videos? It's simple. These videos are going viral right now. Like this page that has almost 293k followers, 1.3 million likes with just 22 videos, and they are also making a lot of money from this page. Or this page that has 147,000 followers, 653,000 likes, and also they used only 13 videos to also get this amount of followers and likes. I've seen many people making tutorials about how to create AI dancing baby videos, but this one is different because I'll reveal how to get more views, followers, likes, and also make money from these videos. The first step is to create our character. So to create our character, all you simply need to do is to open TikTok or any other social media that you saw the character on that you want to replicate, or we can create one from scratch. So let me show you how to replicate a character from another page. All you need to do is to open into your social media app such as TikTok right here and search baby dancing baby AI right here. I'll put this into the search bar, and here you can see there are many users with this name. You can put it on top right here. So let's say this is the baby that I want to also replicate for my page. All you need to do is to take a screenshot of this baby right here. Now after taking a screenshot, we are going to use Chat GPT in order to get our prompt to generate similar image such as this one. Here in Chat GPT, all you need to do is to upload your image. So click on this plus sign right here, click on add photo. After your image is uploaded, simply type in simple prompts like give me 3 prompts to generate similar images in different outfits, or you can describe your own right here. Click on this right here and you will see the AI analyzing the image, and you can see it right here. This is a prompt that it's also writing. This is the first prompt right here. So you can change any parts of this prompt to your own style, whether it's the cloth, whether it's the facial, the skin tone, anything that you want to change at all, you can also change it and also use the prompt to generate this image for yourself. So I'm going to just copy one of the prompts right here and also use it to generate the image for you to see. Now let's generate one of the prompts right here. So I'll simply copy in the first prompt that it wrote for us, copy, and I'll paste it right here and ask it to generate this image for us right here. But make sure you also add the image size, whether you want to use it on TikTok or YouTube. You know, the size of YouTube is different from TikTok. So right here you can see that I've added create an image for me using this prompt, and the prompt is below. And make sure you add in this if you want to generate this for TikTok or YouTube. So you can see right here aspect ratio must be 9:16. This is the aspect ratio of TikTok, but if you want to use it for YouTube or any other platform, you can simply go to Google and type in what is the aspect ratio for maybe TikTok video, and you'll get the aspect ratio, and you just put it in right here. So what you want to go ahead and do, click on this to also get your image. It generated this image for us. This is a very nice image right here that it generated for us on the first try. So you can also try out different prompts and also change some different settings right here in it for yourself, and also use it to generate your preferred image. Now that you have our image, let's turn it into a video of her dancing with another creator's video. Simply click on it and click on this download button right here. Click on download to download the image to your phone. So if you use iPhone like I do, simply click on the image right here, or you can simply go to the download section, and what you want to do is to save this to your gallery. Now that our image is saved, let's make the image done. So back here on TikTok, let's search for a video that we are going to also transfer the motion from the video to the AI generated image that we just created, or our character. So with this, I'm going to go with the song from Tyler, which is Chanel, right here. So I'll search for Chanel, dance challenge. Now here there will be many videos, so just select the one that you also want or your favorite out of them, and simply let's recreate it. So I'll just download this video from this creator, click on this, download, and boom, the video has been saved to my phone. Now the next thing to do is to transfer the dance from this video to our image. When you save videos, it comes with this watermark automatically, so let's just crop that part out, crop this part out right here. Let's just crop this part out and also crop the video right here so that we can get the motions perfectly. Let's make sure everything is intact. Sorry to interrupt, but if you want to know how to constantly get more views and go viral very fast with even your first video, make sure you stay, because I'm going to share that secret later in this video. So the AI tool we are going to use today is found in CapCut. Yes, the video editor that most people use, that is CapCut. When you come into CapCut, simply open this right here. This is the new video feature. Click on it and select the picture that you are going to use, like this. After selecting it, click on add and make sure you drag the picture to be 10 seconds. So here, all you simply need to do is to drag this picture for it to be 10 seconds. Now, if you don't know anything about editing, just follow what I'm doing on the screen right here. So 10 seconds, I'll just cut this part off just like this. And after you are done, what you want to do is to simply scroll down here and you can see this avatar feature. So click on the avatar feature, click on this mimic motion. And here what you want to do is to add your video right here. So you can see upload photo and upload reference video. So simply click on this to upload the photo that you want to mimic. Click on the photo, add here, upload the reference video. So reference here, what you want to do is add. And after this is done, what you want to do is to make sure it's on Move Pro and click on generate. Now when you click on generate, this requires you to have the CapCut Pro feature, so make sure you do that. Click on generate and wait for the video to be generated. Whilst this video is generating, let's talk about how to go viral every single time that you post on your fresh page. So come to TikTok just like this or any other social media platform and search for the same thing that we also search for, dancing baby AI. So you can see a lot of videos right here. Now you can click on any of the videos, and what you want to do is to simply select the top videos and look at the sound that they are also using in the video. Now these are the sounds that can blow up your page very fast. So what you want to do is to save some of the videos with a sound, and whenever you get a sound that is also blowing up, you have to replicate that and also search for a video which have been made with a sound, and also go through the process, use your AI to generate the video and simply post it on your page, so that every video that you post, it means the video have gone viral already and it will go viral again. So make sure you use the most viral sounds in your videos. Choose any of the popular videos with the trending sound, and here just click on this icon down here and you'll be able to find a song which was used in the video right here. This is the artist and this is the name of the song. You just have to come to the search bar just like this, search for the song, and you can also use the song to also blow up your page. Here you can see that our video has been generated successfully. Now when I scroll down here, you can see that the video has been generated correctly, and what you want to do is to check through and make sure everything is all right. So simply play the video to also check out how the video movement looks. Now this looks nice, as well as the emotions. You can see the face and everything. Everything is okay. So what you want to do is to export the video. You can see these lines at the top right here. So after we export, I'll show you how to make the lines go away. The video has been exported successfully. If you want to remove the borders, that is the black thing at the top and the down part, simply click on new video, select the video that you saved, click on add, and here what you want to do is to simply scroll down here and also click on aspect ratio. Choose TikTok as the platform that you are going to post it on. Click on the video and use your two fingers to also pinch to zoom the video so that the black borders will also go away, just like this right here. Now when you are done, you can simply export the video again. So just watch through the video, you can see everything is cool. You can simply export the video again and the borders will go away, so that we can also post it on our TikTok. So now that you have saved the video successfully, here is how to post your video the right way to go viral. So what you want to do is to simply search for the sound that you also used in making the video. Come to the search bar, and as I've showed you, mine was Tyler Chanel. You can simply search it in the search bar. Choose any of the videos, click on the sound down here, and you can simply click on use sound. And when this is done, simply choose the video that you want to also post right here. Start selecting the video right here. All you need to do is to simply click on the next right here and click on the sound at the top, as you can see up there. And after you click on it, click on the volume icon down here and make sure you lower the volume of the sound that we also chose right here. Lower it all the way down and simply higher the volume of the original right here, so that the volume will also come. Now sometimes when it doesn't come, it won't register, so simply click on next right here, and I'll simply go back, and here I will just higher the sound a little bit right here so that it will register it to that sound. And after you are done, you simply click on next. So here you can just choose the best parts of the video as your cover and simply add your hashtag and also the description of this video. So I'll just put in 2 hashtags right here, and make sure this settings is also turned on. Everyone can see post right here. You can see view this post, everyone, and also click on more options. Make sure the video is uploaded as high quality and click on post right here to also post your video. And also I'll show you the result of this in like 3 days in my community, which I'll put a link down in the description of this video as well as the comment section. Make sure you join the community to see the result of this one. Now when this is done, all you need to do is to wait for the views to come in. But while waiting for the views, make sure you create more videos following this step-by-step process. Finally, if you want to make money from these videos, the most available monetization method to almost everyone in the world is through revenues from social media platforms. I'm talking about YouTube, Facebook, TikTok monetization. So you can be monetized with this video, and every platform have their monetization criteria. So when you hit it, you can also get monetized. Like YouTube Shorts, you have to get 1,000 subscribers and also 10 million views to monetize on their YouTube Shorts partners program. The second way is through affiliate programs and promotion. So if you want to create a page that can make money for you, you can specifically target a specific audience or brand your page to suit specific audience, so that people who want to promote their brands with you can reach out and you can promote for them as well as promote affiliate products. If you want me to go in depth into this, make sure you drop a comment in the comment section. I'll make sure I'll make a full video explaining how to make money from affiliate marketing as well as getting brand deals with these faceless AI pages. The AI tool that I use in this video costs you money to also use it. Now I'm going to also bring out some AI tools that you can use for this without paying anything, and if you're interested in that, make sure you subscribe to this channel right now. And also, if you are anywhere in the world and you want to get paid to chat other people, make sure you click on the video on the screen right now.